here, the coconut milk shop. Because in Thai cooking, in Thai cuisine, we use a lot of coconut milk. Coconut milk go in everything, like from snack, noodles, soup, dessert. The way to get coconut milk, first we fry coconut into the shredded.
3 โลครับ
Coconut milk we get from the meat of coconut. We drink coconut water when they still green, or we call young coconut. The green coconut, the coconut meat is very thin and soft. After you drink the water, you could use spoon to scoop the meat to enjoy. That's really nice. That green coconut you leave on the tree longer. They get older, they turn brown, and outside they pull the thick cap off. You get the hard shell. They cut the hard shell off. You get this is the coconut meat, and the water is still inside. But the water, when they get old like this, turn brown like this, is not sweet as the green one. The part that we're gonna get the milk, we in the old day we chop this in half and hand grind to get it shredded and squeeze by hand, which is take a lot of time. Of course, in the market they have machine to help. They grind the coconut meat into the shredded. And actually, when you buy coconut milk, you not buy the milk. You buy the coconut shredded and pay by weight. We ordered 3 kilograms for our cooking today, and then a seller he gonna turn into the milk for us. So how much the milk we get is depend on how much we pay for that. Now, the coconut milk he not make and wait for sale. He only made to order because fresh coconut milk is very sensitive. Like in the West, you're not supposed to leave fresh cow milk outside the refrigerator. They go bad easily. Same as coconut milk. This is 3 kilograms, and you see how much the milk we will get. Actually, we will get 2 versions when we buy from the market. First version, coconut cream. This is the first squeeze, no water added. The texture is quite thick and very concentrated. This we consider as coconut cream. The shredded, you see that the first round is getting slightly dry a little bit after he squeezed the liquid off. But he will repeat at least 3 times. Try to get the liquid out of this as much as possible. The first time gone, the second time, now you see the texture of this is getting look more dry, and there's still some liquid from there. We use different version of the milk, coconut cream and coconut milk in different cooking. Today you will see how we use them. Okay, this is we're gonna put the third time. From the 3 kilograms of coconut shredded that we buy, we get quite good amount of the cream. You see that the third time, this is getting very dry already. But still some flavor. He cannot squeeze any more liquid. But to get more flavor from this, he's gonna use hot water to help. Okay, he tried the last time, the fourth time.
So far we've only produced cream, coconut cream. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, actually today we're gonna get both.
But what we've got so far is the
So
coconut
far
cream.
the first is cream, yeah.
Okay.
He doesn't add anything yet. But the next round after this, he's gonna add hot water that he boil in the pot over there. Then so this is the cream, the first round. In Thai we call head.
Yum.
So this is very concentrated and very flavorful. So this is the fresh cook. From the 3 kilo of that, we get, this is I think about a liter or more. Now, here, since it's already some getting dry, we add hot water in there. And the water helps to extract more flavor, but you see the difference. The texture, that's a small runny, because there's some water in there. ขอแทนเพิ่มอีกนิดนึงนะครับผมไปทำต้มข่าไม่ใส่เรื่อง
Yeah. What's going on in there?
So this is
Jeez,
coconut milk and that is coconut cream, or in Thai we call that head and this tail, head and tail. More concentrate at the head, lighter at the tail. We're gonna use different version in different dish that we cook. We're gonna learn how to do tom kha gai, chicken in coconut milk soup. We're gonna use the milk to make the soup and add the cream for more flavor. And we're gonna use the cream for dessert, mango sticky rice. Hot water, you're gonna add hot water in there to help it get more expensive.
So this is probably why we can't replicate this exactly at home.
And this one, leftover, there's no more using because no more flavor left. They sell into the someone who buy and mix into animal food or compost used in the garden. That we're gonna get the milk here. So if anyone needs coconut milk for home cooking, before you go to shop, before you stop by here, you order and pay and let them make it, and then you go around to buy the things and later come back to grab it. You will get in two bags. One is the cream and one is the milk. Yeah. So that is our order.
So you don't use this anymore? for
Compost,
cooking.
yeah, not
Okay.
used anymore. Yeah. When you keep the whole coconut like this, it lasts longer. But once you turn into the milk, later if the weather getting warm up, if you leave outside refrigerator, 2 hours they go back.
Okay.
So once you got them back home, if you're not ready to cook yet, you better store in the refrigerator all the time. All right, turn behind you. Of course, it's a waste.